And good morning, day number 2 of the holiday, and I'm heading towards having the breakfast because it's quite late. I mean, it's not late, it's like 9 o'clock, but I'm starving. And Emilia's proud of her dress. Come on, Emilia, show off for a second. Oh my god, that's awful. I'm not gonna put that in the video. See that over there? That's where I'm going. If I'm on the right road. It's freaking massive. That's what she said. We going in. I'm in shock. Like we were in, oh, this slide was unbelievable. So we were on like a thing, I don't even know how to call it anymore, and both of us facing each other, and we were just dropping, like, what's happening? I'm sorry, I can't film. I really need a waterproof camera, but please subscribe if you want me to film waterproof. So yeah, it's cool. Oh, it's you. Come on, I was just chilling with my best friend. What's wrong? I can just talk to sit with do you talk? Chill with my best friend. Come on, turn the camera. Turn the camera. Oh, here we are, guys. I'm finally getting to have some food for today because I'm starving, and I don't know what time it is because I don't have my watch. This is just my key. And it's cool. I'm having so much fun. Yesterday, guys, I think it was probably the best day I had, or the second best day I had in a long time. The first best day was when I played with my team a few months ago. I told you about the Sunny's team. So yeah, that was the best day. Yesterday was the second best day I had in a long time. And it's really good. I think I really needed this holiday, but yeah, I'm talking to a camera in the middle of a restaurant. I mean, outside of a restaurant, but on the table of a restaurant. It's really weird. I'm just saying, it's really weird. Especially because I don't know if you remember one of my videos. I told you, and I showed you how big my camera is, and it's quite interesting. But hey, oh, the sun is really strong, and in a few hours' time we're going. If you remember from yesterday's vlog, again the lake I showed you next to the beach. I hired a boat. It was really cheap, like I don't know, 18 pounds, 20 pounds. So it was really good. And I'm going to see you probably when I get there. Safety first, always. Is the mic on?
Yeah.
How you doing, guys? We're here with Captain Vlad. As you can see, it's a very beautiful day, and you can see I have made the course for this. Now we're going. Nope. Oops. I mean, nothing. Everything is fine. Everything is absolutely. I don't want to go that direction. Okay, let's go back. No, now we go backwards, kind of. Not really. This is like the best yacht I've ever seen, guys. I swear to God, this is faster than a Lamborghini. So I just realized my mic was off in those like 50-second clip before. So I meant my life was in danger because she was trying to ride the boat, but she did it very good, guys. We wanted to go around that white thing, which I can't see anymore now, but anyway, and she did it perfectly, so good job, Emilia. Now let's try to clap one more time, this time with sound. Hey, good job. Cool, I'm having a lot of fun, guys, a lot of fun. I've been in danger with Emilia riding. It's good.
And the spider in your hair.
I've got what?
We are faster than you.
I can even beat you with my eyes closed.
Only a Friday's right for a dive like this. Smoke in my eyes, now I can't see shit. But the way you're moving in the spotlight could keep me here until the sun.
Emilia, nu mă ducem în bosc, este wrong.